Before making this video, I posted a poll asking how much do you think I have spent on all my 450MT mods. After more than 100 votes, here is what you said. So today we are going to find out who was right and who was way off. And you know, people say adventure riding is about freedom, but after this build, the only freedom I felt is freedom from my savings. Let's get into the full breakdown. Performance mods. The slip-on exhaust and the header pipe both came from AliExpress. They fit well and they remove quite a lot of weight. But here is the funny part. The shipping was almost half of the total cost. But even with that, still cheaper than most branded options. Next is the intake system and pre-oiled oil filter from Throttle Punks. Better airflow, easier maintenance, and actually lighter than stock. It's also the kind of upgrade you feel when you open the throttle. Then there's the ECU from 𝐀𝐝𝐯. This almost completely fixes the snatchy throttle response. Is it perfect? Not really, but very close. And the main reason I choose 𝐀𝐝𝐯 is that it keeps the factory warranty valid. And that wraps up the performance mods. More power, smoother throttle, and lighter feel overall. Protection mods. The skid plate is the lightweight model from Raid Garage. Strong enough for logs and rocks, but still lighter than most alternatives I have found. And you can get 15% off with this code. For protection around the tank, radiator and fairings, I'm using the upper crash bar from 𝐀𝐝𝐯. They are lighter than many other bars and have already saved the bike more than once. Another protection I use is handguards from Polisport. They are really good, a bit cheaper than Bulkbusters, but they have saved my levers several times. Wheels and tires. The wheel set from SOS Racing Parts is lighter than stock wheel, make it possible to run proper enduro tires. The wheels include bearings and spacers, and the tolerance are far better than the stock. For tires, I'm running Michelin trackers at the moment. They are affordable, good grip, easy to mount and road legal, so they are perfect for my kind of riding. Tubeless let me run much lower pressure without worrying about pinch flats. Controls and ergonomics. Levers from AliExpress. Cheap, adjustable and honestly excellent for the price. If you break them, you just buy another pair. Mirrors, also from AliExpress. These folding mirrors don't snap when the bike hits the ground. They're easy to fold and stay in place. If I'm riding hard off-road, they are easy to remove and I can just throw them in my backpack. I'm running the CFMOTO's off-road pegs. They are simple, effective and better grip than stock pegs. But I do consider changing them for wider pegs. Maintenance and small parts. The battery upgrade is probably one of the best weight saving mods you can do for the price. It removes about 3 kilos, and because of the weight sits high on the bike, you feel the difference. It's honestly one of the best upgrades you can do. GPS mounting bracket and tail tidy from AliExpress. Gets the GPS device in a better position compared to mounting it to the handlebar, and the tail tidy cleans up the rear and save some weight. Suspension upgrades. Up front I have the Adriani cartridge kit, much better damping, more confidence on rocks and roots, and more stable front end. This fully adjusted shock from TFX gives better support, better control and better comfort when things get rough. It's one of those upgrades that instantly change how the bike feels. Together, the TFX rear and the Adriani front makes the bike feel like a different machine. So, what's the damage? After adding every single upgrade, performance, protection, wheels, tires, cockpit parts, suspension, and the lithium battery. The total money I spent on my CFMOTO 450MT is €5,079 or $5,914 US. Was it worth it? For my style of riding, absolutely. This bike now fits how I ride. Technical trails, long days, and the real off-road adventure. Before I go, if you want a full video about the mods I regret, let me know. It might be a short video, but emotionally painful. Thanks for watching. Check out the full playlist for more 450MT content. And I see you in the next one. Ride safe.